You're welcome to the Ricardo TV. Yes. Today in the album promotion. Guess what? Last time we had Jupiter, and this time around, it is your main man Shatta Wale in the building. Yo, we know say Shatta Wale dropped albums like, okay, not like, if I say I want to mention some of the old albums like the Answers album, the Foundation album, the Reader album. You know, those albums all were dope, were successful. But the album where you fit talk say if from Shatta Wale way they were successful. The After the Storm and the After the Storm and then the Rain album. Yes, the After the Storm and then the Rain album. You know, these two albums were very successful. They made up to the top music charts around the world. You know, Billboard and those kind of things. But this time around, though those two albums were very successful, but this time around, Shatta Wale is about to drop another killer one, and that one they call it Gifts of God album, GOG album. And on that album, those the ones where it drop, or especially the Rain album, no, which we know say the songs on it, you know, bang and kwana. Shatta Wale only featured one person on that Rain album, and that was Olamide from Nigeria. But this time around, Shatta Wale's album that is coming to, like, it can unveil. Charlie is packed. I bet the fans say, you know, they want heavy collaborations on the album. So because of that, Shatta Wale this time around really went inside, like made sure that he's going to spend any amount of money to make sure this album is packed with world superstars. And truly he has done it. He has done it. Almost like 9 or 10 collaborations that are on the upcoming Gift of God album. Almost like 9 or 10 artists that he has packed on the album. My guy, I want to give you the list of names that Shatta Wale has been able to add up on this particular album. And for that matter, I am telling you, the album is really packed. But there's a collaboration on the album that is getting people confused. When this list came out, there was a confusion in town. People were like, yo, because if you see here, number 1 on the list is Meek Mill. When our American rapper Meek Mill is on the album. You know, world superstars that have been packed on this album. It's gonna blow your mind, my guy. Meek Mill is on the album. Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer. We know the word boss. He is Shatta Wale's mentor. Vybz Kartel is on the album. Guess what? The third one, Burna Boy is on the album as well. And this is where the news is. People were like, wow, Shatta Wale. You just had a big issue with Burna Boy. You guys were some months or weeks ago, the two of you were at your truth. you say you should allow you to kill yourselves and all them things. You came live and all them things. But then, that is why I always say that when it comes to the music, there's a show and there's a business aspect of it. And Shatta Wale is the only artist. When I make more artists day, but Shatta Wale is one of the artists that is very, very smart when it comes on that. No matter what issues he had with you, if he has a song and he feels like you are the one that he has to put on this song, my guy, no matter how issues the guy has with you, he will still come and tell you, my guy, let's do this song, or let's do that. Forget about the differences, forget about the issues we had before. He thinks about business first. So big up to Shatta Wale on that level. He always makes sure he delivers on the business. No matter what, if he had issues with you or whatever, he will still come out your doorsteps and ask you for it. If you do it, fine. If you don't do it, you go your way. So big up to the man, Chasniama Mensah Jr. He has Burna Boy on the album as well. Guess what? He has Burna Boy, and Burna Boy's girlfriend or fiancée, Steph London, is on the album as well. Steph London, you know Steph London, yeah, all the way from UK. Yeah, big up Shatta Wale. This is dope, this is big. And the big one, just guess what? Nicki Minaj is on the album as well. Nicki Minaj is on the album. If this is going to be a reality, then I would say that Shatta Wale's GOG album is going to be one of the biggest albums out of Ghana. One of the biggest. Because you and I know Nicki Minaj, wow, this is world superstars that have been to the album. That should tell you the weight of the album. And Olamide has made it to this for the second time on Shatta Wale's album on the road. He was on the Rain album, and now he has made his way through to the GOG album as well. Big up Olamide. He's a brother. Olamide is a dope brother from Nigeria. He's one of the best we have in Africa here. And Olamide is on the album as well. This album is packed with superstars. I'm telling you, my brother. I'm telling you. Guess what? Jamaican upcoming superstar. Yo, Skillibeng is on the album. Skillibeng, you know Skillibeng. Skillibeng is one of the best from Jamaica, and he's from the Gaza. If you are from the Gaza, Shatta Wale is down with you, because already he's from Ghana here, but he lives in Gaza because Vybz Kartel is his godfather. Vybz Kartel has been his mentor from day one, and Shatta Wale even has a song for Vybz Kartel. He call it World Boss. Yes, free the world boss and all that kind of thing. Big up to Shatta Wale, big up to Olamide, big up to Skillibeng, big up to my queen. Spicy is on the album from Jamaica. Shatta Wale, what have you done? You've packed superstars like this. Not only from America, not only from Nigeria, but not only from UK, but then you've entered into the Jamaican stuff, and you've brought out wow 4 superstars from Jamaica: Vybz Kartel, Skillibeng, Spicy, and also Original Coffee. You know Coffee, right? You know Coffee, right? Yes, that's what I'm saying. The coffee that you know, the original coffee that you know. Shatta Wale has her on the album as well. This album, I'm telling you, we can't wait. Me personally, I can't wait. I know you can't wait as well. As a Shatta Movement fan, you cannot wait for this. Wow. I'm telling you, if this album is out and it's even 50,000, or the CD or the pen drive, I don't know how Shatta is going to do it. Either he would love to provide some CDs or pen drives or maybe on the stores. But when I see the song on stores, I'm going to purchase them. Any amount. This is the album that when you spend $1 million on it to buy this album, you know that you bought something valuable, you bought something with a huge amount of money, and it values it's dope. It's just up there. It's just dope. It's perfect. It's wow. The album is wow. Because looking at the names on the album, these are heavyweights in the music industry around the world. You know that? These are Grammy award winners. These are Grammy products. These are Burna Boy. Do you know Burna Boy is performing on the 2021 Grammys? He is performing over there. So that should tell you the album is full of world superstars, because Shatta Wale himself is a world superstar. So if he is coming out with something, it needs to be dope. And this one, it makes the standard of Shatta Wale. I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud right now. I'm proud to be a Ghanaian. I'm proud to be African. I'm proud to be to know Shatta Wale, to be in this generation to know Shatta Wale. Just Nyama Mensah, big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself, senior brother. Bless up, King. Rain for life. For life is our life, and we ain't stopping. We ain't stopping at all. We're giving the people exactly what they wanted. Make Mill is on the album. Vybz Kartel is on the album. Burna Boy is on the album. Steph London is on the album. Nicki Minaj is on the album as well. Guess what? The lobby day to day upon it. Oh wow, Skelly Banks on the building. Wow, spicy and original coffee. Big up Shatta Wale every time. Yes, you still locked down the Defcado TV. Make sure you subscribe. You share the work, because you can see what we are doing here. We are doing all this to promote the artists. Them nothing attached to it. We are doing all this to push the artists. Then I'm a promoter. I'm ready to push this album to the limit that my strength can go, and I'm ready to do that for a brother. This is dope, and we need to show it to the world. This is dope. We need to show it to the world. I'm telling you. So watch out for this album. He's yet to drop it, and he's yet to launch it. And you know how the launch is gonna be. Shatta Wale always delivers when it comes to the album launching and stuff. It was dope after the storm, and it was dope. It showed us something extraordinary during the Rain album, which took place at the Labadi there bar. You know, it was dope, and everything was just on point. So this time around too, we know that it's gonna deliver. Looking at the names on the album, it's possible that it's gonna fly some of them to the country on the day of launching, excluding Vybz Kartel, because we know the situation. He's in prison right now, so he cannot come up. So for that one, we know that is out. But the rest of them, maybe can make it. If not on their busy schedules, Meek Mill could come to Ghana because of the album. Burna Boy has always been in Ghana. He's a Ghanaian Nigerian. You know, he has a lot of fans in Ghana here. All ladies love him, and you love Burna Boy's music. Yeah, so big up to everybody that is making this album a successful one. Bless up to everybody. Roar, that time.